Hello to all my friends out there. So this video is cheap eats, and what I'm doing is I'm just making the cheapest possible meals I can think of. So I bought some hash browns at Dollar Tree and some Vienna sausages at Dollar Tree after I went to the dumpster. And so what I'm trying to do is come up with the all-time cheapest meals possible to conserve my money, of course. These hash browns are really good, but usually I bake them. But I wanted to fry these hash browns at the same time as the Vienna sausages, and I don't know if that's such a good strategy. But I'm sure they will taste okay, so now let's see if I can put them on the plate. Okay, so my hash browns and my Vienna sausages turned out kind of like a little hash, but I think this will be pretty good when I get some ketchup. And then I just made two, super hot, sunny side up eggs. Okay, so yummy, this looks good. All right, so now here's the hash browns. These I bought at Dollar Tree. You get 6, so they'd be 18 cents each. 50 cents. So let's see, 50, 68. And then the eggs usually cost about 18 cents. And so back here, I made a small loaf of banana bread. What I did was, when I did the last video, I noticed, my Aunt Jemima pancake mix is almost expired, so I have to use it. Well, it is expired. It expires November 24th, 18. So it's expired by a couple months. It's okay, but it does need to be eaten. So what I will do with this is I will just put it in the refrigerator, and then I will use it in my bread until I use it all up. So I would say this meal would be around $1, somewhere around $1, not counting the banana bread. So I will just put my ketchup on the side. I usually stockpile these 2 at a time. I bought 2 today for the stockpile. I stockpile walnuts. And now at the dollar stores, I notice they have butter. You can buy 1 cube for $1, which can be good. Now let's see what happens. Let me see how this banana bread is. This will be good with my you-know-what. My chamomile tea, that's what. I was going to fry my my meal in lard, but I forgot. I bought this at 99 cents only. It's so automatic for me to grab the oil, but I could have used my lard. I have come to the conclusion that of all of the oils, lard would probably be the cheapest and not necessarily the least nutritious. Not necessarily, as long as you're not going overboard, you're going to be okay. Now, let me taste this. So I put the recipe for the banana bread on the Twitter. These are much better if you heat them in a little oil. When you're eating this kind of cheap food, if you have some kind of potatoes, I was going to make French fries. I buy those at Dollar Tree for $1. I find these hash browns to be good from Dollar Tree. Cheap Eats hash browns with Vienna sausage and eggs. That's cheap. And in my food plan, I had a food plan, and one of the meals every week is a breakfast. I think I've had breakfast more than once this week. Okay, that's Cheap Eats, and God bless you all.